little dirty in here. Yeah, you gotta sweep these trailers out. It's gotta be clean, just like your refrigerator at home. Once you do it, you can see it's not that hard to do. It's just about mowing the lawn. Get these load locks out of the way so they don't take them. Alright, it's 53 feet long. You do about 4 strokes all the way down. It looks like this light's out. I hit it a couple times, it worked. I guess it won't work today. But you just pull all the dirt out here. Oh, just turned on, look at that. You get everything out. And forklifts beat everything up, so even nails from pallets, all that. And you pretty well have to sweep it all the way to the end. And the broom you get is the ones that are soft. You don't want to get the hard ones because you have to push down so hard and it has to go into the grooves. Refrigerated trailers have floors like this. They're grooves like this because the circulation of the air, it goes out on the top with the chutes that you see on the top. It goes all the way to the back and goes down and then goes underneath this floor and all the products on top of these rails here. And they have to be cleaned, and the cold air or the warm air goes underneath and circulates and goes underneath here, and there's these holes here that suck the air back in, and it cools in here and goes back out and cycles, and that's how these units go. And with this chute here, you can see it's straight plastic all the way to here. And this here is very important because when you have a bulkhead, you can't go past this bulkhead because you close this and it closes the circulation. And the air will come out of here and it's not healthy, it's not circulating properly, and the suction will be wrong on your unit. And your defrost will have big problems. So when you see something like this, you'd want to at least go about 2 feet over about this, and then you mark that. And then that's where you always put your bulkhead. When it goes up, it'll come out to the screen here. And the screen gets dirty through the years, but that's what this is for. And that way, if you have bulkheads, you'll push up and you'll still use it for this. And the air will travel through. It's a really nice little system here. And the other one's on the sides, so that you can't really use bulkheads. That's for refrigerated, so you can see the dry vans are just flat. They have a flat floor, and everything else goes with that except for refrigerated. And if you don't have rails like this, you can see the air won't circulate properly. And they figured it all out. These are all the wooden pallets that come in here. They're getting these plastic pallets, and Walmart's using them. I haven't seen anybody else use them. It goes to standard pallets, to Shep pallets, and those are pretty well doubled. Very heavy, they're 60 pounds each. And from there, it's the same as the Shep pallets, but they made them in plastic. There's actually metal in there. And the problems I see is that the top doesn't have any kinds of bumps on it to stop it at tread. It's just flat. And I've seen them slip off, especially the frozen products. They slip right off those pallets. But once they figure that one out, they're much lighter, and the whole warehouse is clean. You don't have any wood, any of this stuff that's on the floor that you have to keep up all the time and shipping and receiving. And broken pallets, all that headache will be out of the way once they change everything to those plastic ones. That's how it works. You sweep it to the end, then you pick it all up and throw it in the garbage. And all this has to be all hand picked out. Many blow it out, but it's not your property. And truck stops, they just use a blower. You're trying to go ahead and pull it all here, and then you go ahead and put all this in a Walmart bag or something and throw it away in the garbage can. At least you brought everything to the bag. Then you have a clean trailer again. Alright. Out so they don't fall over. The yard truck really drives around pretty good, and they jostles around and it falls down. Alright, that looks good. I'll get my Walmart bag and get rid of this stuff.